Yeah. Baby cakes, you just don't know how I like it down low.
Hey guys, it's Kelly. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a pack with me video. So I went to Amsterdam and I went for 3 nights, 4 days, and I'm just going to be showing you basically what I packed and stuff like that. And like the clothes that I packed are kind of the clothes that I'd wear here. Like I live in Ireland, for anyone who doesn't know. Because I know that Amsterdam is literally, it's not that far away, so I was kind of thinking the weather would be quite similar. So it's mainly like jeans, stuff like that. Same stuff I'd wear here, but just if anyone who doesn't live in a country like this, the weather was quite hot, so it was kind of just like jeans, t-shirts, and like you would be like, ooh, like very hot. But that's just me because, like, you know, I'm not used to 19-degree weather. So yes. So if you want to see what I packed for Amsterdam, let's just jump on into the video. So to start off, for jackets, I'm just bringing a plain denim jacket, and I'm also bringing like a grey hoodie just because I wear these kind of things together all the time, and I know that if I get too warm I can just wear the hoodie, or if I get too cold I can wear the jacket. So they are must-haves wherever I go. So then back here in the back I have 3 pairs of jeans. I have a blue pair, a grey pair and a black pair. Then I have some t-shirts. When I go away, I always pack loads of t-shirts just because I know that like stuff can spill or like makeup gets on them and stuff. So I always like to pack extra. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this is kind of like a jumper kind of thing. So I have 7 there. I have PJs in the back, just normal PJs. This is what I'm wearing on the plane. So I just have some leggings, a t-shirt, and like a pink kind of hoodie. And then over here I have 3 going out tops. I don't know if we're going to go out, but that's what I'm planning on bringing for going out. So here I'm just kind of showing you how I pack my suitcase and just me kind of putting everything in and stuff like that. So the first thing I put in my case was all my t-shirts and tops, mainly because I had quite a lot of them and just wanted to put in them first, just I don't know why. So yeah, here's me just rolling them up. I use the rolling technique because it takes up a little bit less space. I know you're putting in the same amount of items, it's just a little bit less bulky, so I prefer that. So I just rolled them in and try and fit them in as best that I could. And then I moved on to my jeans, and with jeans it depends on how much clothes I have in my case, because when I'm packing I like to use half my case for clothes and half for shoes, bags, all that kind of stuff. So I try to fit them in as best I can. You will see me now in a few seconds. I did actually rearrange 1 pair of jeans and a t-shirt and stuff just to kind of fit in as much as I could without making it really bulky. So that's what I did there. For my travel documents, passports, stuff like that, I keep all that in my hand luggage, like my chargers and stuff, so you won't see me packing them in this case. So next I just moved on to my pyjamas. I just rolled them as well and put them in on top. And then I put in my kind of going out tops. So I put in the 3 of them, just kind of folded them up because they were quite delicate and small, so they didn't really take up much room. So the next thing I'd put in was just underwear and socks and stuff. When going away, I always pack loads of these just for if I shower during the day and stuff and I want to freshen myself up a little bit. So I pack loads. And then I just kind of put in my hoodie that I brought, and then also a spare pair of shoes. I also brought runners because I like to be comfy when I travel. So then I also put in a spare small handbag that I was bringing, and then some toiletries, my makeup bag, stuff like that. And then everything else, charges and all that stuff, passport, they all go in my hand luggage bag. So yes. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe down below. I also have a vlog channel, and I haven't done it yet, but I might have done it by the time this video is up. My Amsterdam vlogs, check them out, and yeah, follow all my social media, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh.